So these are us walking in En Geddi. This is the name.
Right.
We're on video now.
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico. So is it like this? What do you say? It is actually the best time now to find those. Yeah, because now it's not that hard for them. So this is a very, very brave hyrax. He's not moving for some reason. Usually they're a bit more afraid. This one is cute. Okay. Those are ibexes, desert goats. Also up there. Yeah, the ibexes are up there, so they didn't read the sign. Do not throw the rocks down there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many, many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. You want to be a part of it? You want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.